Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I am just Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever there is a new video. Also, if you like this content and other videos on the channel, hit the like button along with a comment so we can chat about it on the side, okay? Ooh, that felt very Tamar Braxton. We need to tone that down a lot. Anywho, let's get into today's video. So, I have finally come around to shooting Eugenia, and I say finally because, well, it's been a few days, my energy's been a wrap, and I'm ready. I'm ready today. We are ready for this. We are ready to unbox a doll from the convention that just keeps on giving, because guess what? She's not the last one. I still technically have 2 more from the legendary convention. Ooh, that was a struggle coming. But with that said, let's bring out the box. I took it out of the shipper already, but I didn't remove that tissue. I'll tell you about. Oh God, you're going through a lot. I apologize ahead of time. So, here we still have the legendary convention box. You know, it's purpleness and whatever that was. Yeah. Box. She was cute. Still waiting on her to arrive. I'm actually really excited about this, I should say, because I've seen some of the IRLs already, clearly because I've been taking so long to do this video. And I'm really excited to see her in person. I'm also really excited to redress her. If you've been to this channel, you know it's not just unboxing, it's a fashion show. Ooh, so excited for that portion. Anywho. Oh, look, my hand left a mark on the box. Whatever. I am ready to experience whatever you're going to give me. Ooh. First of all, can we talk about the drama that I opened and the jacket is like flipped up? Is that like a thing where all the jackets flipped up like that? I don't recall seeing it, but I like it. I'm gonna twist it. Ooh. Ooh, it's just so haunting but sexy. Ooh, I'm into it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm trying to, get as close as possible. Can you see? Is that good for you? Doesn't matter. You know why it doesn't matter? Because I'm going to take a moment to unbox her off camera. Really, we're gonna bond. And then when I come back, I'm going to present her to you all dressed, styled, and ready to go. Also, disclaimer, if there's voices in the back, I live in a very Spanish household. So it is what it is. We do what we can. Yeah, on that note, let's style. Well, alrighty then. Here she is, fully accessorized, because obviously she came to dress, so it's not something I had to do. I have to say, this is the first time I've actually seen this hairstyle in person. I know it's a hairstyle that's used a lot from Integrity, but I've actually never been able to find a doll that I've actually really liked with this hairstyle. This is my first time experiencing it, and I have to tell you guys, it's just, I personally think it's stunning. I love it. I love the light blue eyes, the great contrast with all the dark makeup. She is a vibe, she is a mood, just absolutely loving it. Love that the choker had a button to fasten it. One of the easiest neck pieces I've ever had to deal with. Also, this right here. How did I miss that the sleeve, this ruffle detail, is not a part of the sleeve because she's wearing a halter top? How did I miss that? The smartest thing, so excited because I almost just feel like it's a great little piece to restyle. So that was a little kind of thing that I discovered as I was unpacking and I loved. And also, oh, look at that. Details. Little stones into the lace. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These shoes, are they a variation of the shoes that came with the Jason Wu originals? Because I have, obviously, the one in white. And I was like, I feel like the shoe's very similar. I could be wrong. I could be right. Correct me. I love a good correction. Oh, look at the pleat. Oh. It's honestly, with this doll, it's really just the tailoring and the structure of this piece. It is one of the most stunning things. Honestly. You can't deny the craftsmanship on this outfit. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I thought about it, and because I want to focus more on the restyle, I'm not going to show her without the blazer. I mean, I'm sure everyone's seen it online, so it's not like a need. But here she's in her original look, and now I'm going to figure something else for her and how I imagine it. Yes. So I wanted to take a moment to shout out the designer of the look that I'm using for the Restyle, because I've purchased it a while back and I've been waiting for the moment to use it, and I really love this person's like quality of work and the things that they do, so I wanted to give them a shout out. If I do not remember to put the link to their site on the description, please leave me a comment and remind me. My brain don't be working sometimes. And here, without further ado, is the Restyle. I'm gonna start at the shoes because why not? If you've been here, you know I love a good shoe, although we've already seen the shoe before. I wanted to go the complete opposite route. You know, she was dark, she was goth. So I wanted to give spring, summer, color all out there. So this blazer and skirt, it was a set from the designer in the back that I left the logo for. And here she is giving you spring, summer, bright, colorful, joyful. She is just rocking it. She is giving it her all. I am in love. I'm going to need to reuse this outfit more often on more people because it's a moment, if I don't say so myself. I mean, come on now. She's killing it. She is killing it. But yeah, here she is redressed, styled in something completely the opposite of what she came in. And she's killing it. She's just amazing. Freaking amazing. Love her. One more quick. Zoom up way. Y'all. Okay, everyone, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into another video with me, just here on my channel, just Christopher, just me, you know. A lot just occurred there. Any hoot. Super excited for some things to come. I hope to like bring some new things other than just unboxing. Got some ideas up my sleeve because honestly, I don't know when the next doll is released. I just honestly don't know. So until next time, guys. Adios.